Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how do I cover acne scars with BB cream. Here you can see a little bit my skin which has so many scars, so you can see better before the process. I start with a non-comedogenic mineral powder. The powder provides a bit of light coverage and also helps to soak up the excess oil. So I just apply the powder and then start with the BB cream. Okay, we can do the first layer of BB cream. Start with thin layers and blend it into your skin. Focus in particular on the trouble areas first and work outward. My trouble areas, as you can see, are my cheeks and then also a little bit my forehead. I try also to dab the product very gently so you will have a natural coverage. Another advice, in fact, is to use a medium coverage BB cream and not a high coverage. Then you can gradually build up the makeup until you get the coverage that you want. So at this point I'm doing a second layer of BB cream, always starting from the center. You can already see here a little bit of difference, and I continue to dab the product into my skin until it's all blended. For the last step, I use the loose powder again. Like I was saying before, use a light hand while doing this because too much pressure will create an unnatural mannequin-like finish. This tutorial is complete. This is the result. You can see how smooth is my skin now. I really hope you're satisfied. Bye!